Hey everyone, I'm back. It's Friday night. Got my cozy robe on. Let's add up some sinking funds and see how much I saved this month. All right, start with the small binder. I'm not going to be going in order on the iPad because I have different things in different binders, so I'm just going to go in whatever order they are here in the binder. Anything here in purple is in the digital savings account. I didn't want to have to take the time to look that up while I was counting, so I will be adding those together. Let me grab a calculator, so I'm sure I will need it. Let's see what we have. In my last video, I showed the new dashboards that I made, and here's what it looks like in the binder. Love it. Looks really nice. Okay, let's take a look and see what we have. All right, so sewing. So sewing has $20, $40, $50. Looks like I started with 50, so I didn't add anything to sewing this month. Okay, vacation. Vacation, I have $20 in here. And then I also have 50 in the bank. Okay, so that's 70. Beauty and massage, I have nothing. Bucks for boxes, that might be another one that I want to put down here, but well, yeah, I could write it really fast. Let's see. Bucks for boxes, I started with 0, and I now have, I believe, 20. Yeah, 20 bucks in there. Okay. All right, Christmas. This is the one I have the most in. So in Christmas, we have 1, 200 in the bank, to 20, 30, 35, 40, 41. So 241. 241. Okay. The rest, I think, are savings challenges, which I'm not going to count here. So that's it for that binder. Now let's see if we have anything in here. All right, emergency. I have $25. Debt, I have $70. Tummy tuck, nothing. House, I have $20. Travel, we already did. For myself, nothing. Groceries, 20 bucks. Medical. For medical, I have 20, 40, 50, 60. Car maintenance, I have 20. Penelope, who is my dog. $20, $30, $40, $50. Households, nothing. Where's household? Nothing in households. Nothing in clothing. Nothing in holidays. Birthdays and gifting, we have 20, 40, 55. Okay, so tummy tuck, we had nothing. All right, that's it. Let's go ahead and add these up. All right, so 90 plus 70, make sure you can all see that, okay, is 160. So let me see if I could squeeze in here. So 160. So we started with 100 in debt. We now have 160. That's a difference of $60. Sewing, we have 50. 65 plus 25 is 90. And we had 50, so that's a difference of $40. Okay, 241 in Christmas minus the 50 we had. We saved $191 towards Christmas. Woohoo! We have 70 right now in travel, and we had 20, so that's a difference of 50. House, we started with 20, we still have 20, that's a difference of 0. Birthdays and gifting, we started with 5, we now have 55, so that's a difference of 50. Car maintenance, we started with 0, we now have 20, that's a difference of 20. Groceries, we started with 20, we still have 20, that's a difference of 0. Same with myself. Medical, we started with 30, we now have 60, so that's plus 30. Clothing, nothing. Tummy tuck and holidays, nothing. My dog, Penelope, we started with 10, we now have 50, so that's a difference of 40. Nothing for household or beauty, and bucks for boxes, we have 20. So I'm going to go ahead and add up. So our beginning total, I already have it added up here. It's 375. I'm going to go ahead and add up our ending amounts here. So 160 plus 90 plus 241. So 826. Woo! That's so awesome. Oh my God. Okay. And let me add up the difference. $551. So if I take 826 minus 375, that's what I should get. No, I have 451. Why? What did I do wrong? 60 plus 50 plus 40. Where is my math going wrong here? 90 plus 70 is 160. 65 plus 25 is 90. Oh, I think I see. Okay, so this difference here, we started with 50. We didn't add anything, so that difference should be 0, not 50. So that's one mistake I made. There's another one here. So I was off by 100. You know, you think it's going to be a quick video, and of course not. Okay, let me erase these totals and add them all up again. Sorry, all. All right, 90, 501. $826 minus $375 should be $451, but for some reason my difference is coming out to $501. I don't understand it. If you all see my mistake here, please leave it down in the comments because this is gonna really annoy me now. My difference should be $451, meaning I should have saved $451 this month, but the math tells me I saved $501. So where am I going wrong here? I don't know. If you see it, please leave it in the comments because I'm going to sit here now and stare at this until I figure it out. But regardless, we now have a total of $826 in our sinking funds. Woo woo! And we still have our dollar challenge, which I have no idea how much money is in that. I'm going to count that at the end of the year. Plus, we have all of our savings challenges, which I'm not counting right now. So I'm on my way. I'm so excited, so happy, so proud of myself, all of that. All right, that is it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment below, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share with friends and family, all that good stuff to help my channel. And until next time, bye. Okay, I'm back. I figured it out. So I was adding up this second column incorrectly. It actually adds up to 876, not 826. So the math works out. I saved a total of $501 this month. All right, that's it for real. See you next time.